Guys, our Saxon is really getting good. Okay, so you need spelling and high frequency word practice 31, worksheet 31, and spelling word list 6. Okay, so let's review some of the stuff we've learned this year already. So we know that our alphabet is a set of symbols representing sounds. We've learned that our alphabet is the Roman Latin alphabet. We know that we have many sounds in our language, at least 40 different sounds from our alphabet. Words are made up of smaller parts called letters. There are two kinds of letters, consonant and vowels, and every syllable must have a vowel in it, okay? So the initial letter, remember initial means at the beginning, so the initial letter of the alphabet is A. The final letter of the alphabet is Z, and then the medial, which means the middle, is everything in between, okay? So let's look at our spelling and high frequency word practice. Look at this. Woo, it's different. So our sight words, I want you to spell this sight word. Come. You spell it. Pause to spell it. Come. Okay, so you guys, I'm going to tell you the word. You pause it to spell it. And then when you're done, unpause, okay? Number 2, 8. That is the number 8. Three. Number 3 is 4. This is number 4. Number 4, have. Do you have any questions? Number 5, today. Today is November 2nd. Remember, these are sight words. They don't follow our normal rules. You guys can read all these, so we have to put it in our memory to know how to spell them. Number 6, they. They are walking down the hallway. Number 7, what? What time is it outside? That doesn't even make sense. Excuse me. This time change. I'm tired. Number 8, where? Where are they going? Number 9, who? Who are they? And number 10, you. You look sleepy, Miss Hendricks. Okay, now, fun stuff. We're going to do something different. I'm going to give you a sentence, and I want you to write it down. Okay? So, a sentence is a group of words that make up a complete thought. We know this. We're doing this in our morning work today. The sentence with a complete thought. We have to start a sentence with a capital letter. It has to end on punctuation. We've been talking about that. Periods, exclamation marks, question marks. If it is a statement, it ends on a period. That's a declarative sentence. An interrogative sentence is asking a question, so it ends with a question mark. And a exclamatory sentence ends with an exclamation mark, and it shows excitedness, okay? So, echo this sentence. The big dog is lost. So you say the big dog is lost. So I want you to write down the big dog is lost. You write that down. Capital letter, end with punctuation. Pause your video so you can write, and then when you get done, unpause. Okay, so let's look at this. Look at my letters. Capital letters touch the top and go to the bottom. And then some lowercase do that too. The H, the back to the H goes from the bottom all the way to the top. And then the hump of the H just touches that middle line and back down. The E touches the middle line and the bottom line. Look at the B, it goes all the way from the top to the bottom and then back around. Okay? Handwriting, you are graded on handwriting. Okay? Look at my letters. That's how your letters should look. We put a finger space between. Okay? And then a period. This, like little bitty, no, or super big, this is how your letters should look, okay? Write or read and spell these. Okay? Look at the back of this page. What? 8 lines. Guess what? You have 8 words here. You have to use each word in a sentence and then write the sentence here with the word. Okay? Take a picture. Take a picture of this and send this to me. You're going to use each one of these. So, were, don't, won't, there, could, would, should are all going to be in a sentence on the back. Like one sentence per word. Okay? Okay. Let's look at some new sight words that we're going to do today. Fun stuff. Okay. So these words are some of the hardest words in the English language to spell and read because they do not follow any of the rules we've learned or that. Okay. So I have a deck of cards with these words on them, just like our other sight words that we've been doing, and we're going to review these every day. Okay. I will keep these separate from the others. You guys know the other words, so we're probably going to retire those and just do those every once in a while. But these words we're going to do every day. Okay. So we have could, don't, should, something, there. This is the possessive there. Their house is cute. Okay. It's possessive. There, over there is my computer. This is the directional. Were you at school today? Won't, would, and your. So look, would, could, should. Okay? Hardest words. I'm going to show you a little cute trick. So we have there, there. Yeah, there. It did not look right all of a sudden. And there. We have 3 words, all spelled differently, all different meanings, but they're all pronounced there. Wow, I know, right? Okay, so this one means over there. Got it? What's the trick to this one? Maybe it's a person? Yep. This is their book. It's possessive. It's theirs. See the little person? That means it belongs to that person. It's their book. And this is just they are. Okay? So, they're over there. There, it belongs to that person. It's theirs. And then they are. Remember those. Some adults even have a hard time with this. Okay? Okay. Let's look at your worksheet 31. Here's what you have to do. Gotta find my script. Okay, so you're just gonna read the sentences and answer the questions, okay? So here's the thing. All of these words you can code. If you don't know how to pronounce them, you can code them, okay? This is sight words. So let's get our sight words out real quick. Okay? Been. Have you been to the store? I know it looks like bean. It's been. Have you been to the store? Your shirt is cute. Your would you like some coffee? Won't. It won't rain today. Were you at school today? There. Over there is my computer. Their computer is in her car. Something. I need help remembering something. Should I drink coffee? Yes. Don't look in the closet. Could you bring me some coffee? Okay, those are your sight words, okay? So, everything else on here is codable. I'm going to read these and answer the questions with you, and then you have to do the back by yourself, okay? So, for right now, you try to read it with me. Tim and John were at the park as the storm hit. Their shirts got wet. When were Tim and John at the park? We have to use part of our question in our answer. So we're going to put Tim and John were, when were. Tim and John were at the park and then as the storm hit. Okay? So write that down. Tim and John were at the park as the storm hit. And I'm out of space, so I'm just going to go down and write it underneath just like that and then put your period. This is not a capital S. It looks like it. I need to make it not look like it. Okay? We do not capitalize words, all words that are on this side of our paper. That's not how we do it. We don't capitalize words at the start of the new line. We capitalize words at the start of a new sentence. This is still the same sentence, okay? Jan hurt her left arm when she cut it on the corner of the bar. She won't get to swim today. Which arm did Jan hurt? Jan hurt her left arm. You can pause to write this down. And I'm going to end it on a period. Okay. You can pause. If it is dark, Fred should help his dad fix dinner at church. Where should Fred go if it is dark? We're going to put Fred should go help his dad fix dinner at church. I know it's a lot. We're going to write it and not complain about it. And down here, I'm just going to wrap it around, and I'm not going to capitalize that. I know my S's look capitalized when they're next to that H like that. Okay. We should go to the market so we could get some dog snacks for Samson. Who needs food? Samson, but we're not going to just write Samson. We're going to write Samson needs dog snacks. Period. If the brush gets dirt on it, we will toss it in the box for Dad. When will we toss the brush in the box? So we're going to write, we will toss the brush in the box, wrap it around, if it gets dirt on it. I know that seems like a lot, guys, but we should be writing this much, okay? Next trimester, we're going to be writing a lot, okay? You do not have to show me this page. I'm going to trust that you've done this page. Remember, you can pause and write any of it. On the back, though, I need you to record yourself reading these and take a picture of your answers. You don't have to read your answers to me, but record yourself reading these. Okay? Okay. Good job.